You wanna come up into the veranda real quick? Just we can take it. We can secure it. We'll have good sight lines on your base then, potentially.
Wait, what's that? Sorry, I was looking at chat.
We could go up into the veranda, get sight lines on your base, and then decide what we'll do.
Make sure it's not surrounded.
Exactly,
right now.
yeah.
Do you feel that your base is secure enough to maybe hold it?
If I got a double armored door, if I got 2 double armored doors, I could make it very secure. So there's people in front of your base, like a lot of people in front of your base right now. Who is it? Can you tell? Can you see?
Oh shit! Oh, those are the bumblebees.
The bumblebees. Well, keep in mind.
At least a couple are.
Well, but keep in mind, if the bumblebees died and got their gears yoinked, then here, heads up.
Dude, I don't know who the others are. I'm worried. I'm actually worried that. Oh no.
Here, unpeak. Let's get some info.
Wait. What's those? What are they doing? They're shooting at the doors.
I think that's them. I'm gonna be totally honest.
Why would the bumblebees be helping them?
I don't know. Well, no, but keep in mind, I think the bumblebees died. They could have their
they're wearing the bumblebee clothing?
Exactly. All right, here, let's not peek. Maybe they won't see us. And if they start pushing us, you can let loose with that sniper.
They're not at my base anymore.
They might.
Dude, here. Open up your inner doors.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna just run up there naked.
Oh, okay.
Do you have a chest in here?
Yeah. Yes. Who's that? Oh. Okay, you need some armament? You need some gear? You need gear, let me know. Someone who's up here with me? Someone's up here. I think someone else is up here. Unless, oh, could just be you. Where are you standing? All right, you coming out home, or are you just staying in here for a minute?
They see me. They know we're up here. Oh, I might have leaked some bread into your base, boys. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh, is the veranda about to get spicy? All right.
Hey, should I run off with it?
Where are they at? I hate this scope, man. No, I'd
We
say.
should go to Shroud's base.
No. It's too late. They don't know it's here.
Welcome.
Don't come up!
I need it.
This is a place of peace!
Yeah, I'm gonna peacefully place my dick in your ass when I come up there.
Oh, I see how it is.
Yeah, you see how it is, bitch.
Yeah.
Fight us.
Oh yeah, baby.
Chuck it. Yeah, you hit. Yeah, hit.
Yeah. Feels good. The pain makes me stronger.
I hope you guys are behaving, Welyn'S. Hello. You better be behaving.
Don't kill Ash. Seriously. You kill Ash, I'm done.
No.
Welcome.
Oh no.
Yo, was there any loot on Miss Body?
I
Welcome.
can't get up here.
This is a place of peace. Retreat at once.
Well, can you let me up?
Welcome.
What's going on?
I have no idea how to get up
shot
there.
at us?
Who is that? Who's down there? Who is that?
Why was
Welcome.
Myth up there shooting us?
Listen, it was an accident. I didn't know J10 was a safe zone, dude.
Alright.
Bad.
Alright, who's that? Who's that down below? Whoa, tell him to stop sniping!
Oh, Myth, you have to crouch. Here you go. Yeah, there you go.
Alright, what's going on? What's going on?
Me.
Okay, alright, yo.
I don't know, man. You tell me.
Get my loot back.
Yeah, your stuff's on your body. I didn't touch it. Well, they're still sniping at me!
Oh, fuck. Who took my guns? Oh, poke, here. I'll boost you up. Here you go. Oh, these guys took my shit, dude. What the fuck?
Where's your... I didn't see your M39. I'll pick you up.
Yeah.
Maybe it fell off the side of the mountain.
I think it could have fallen. I'm picking you... Okay, here, get down. Here, take a pumpkin.
Yeah. Fucking... Dude. Somebody tell XQC to fuck off.
I killed him. Don't worry.
Do you guys not have team chat? Hello?
Everybody ducked out.
Oh, wait. Someone... Oh, I got it. I see it. It's by the table. Right there. Yeah, that's it.
Nice.
You need some ammo?
My bullets.
I used some ammo. I took your ammo. I had to. Oh, I didn't take. I think Sony came up here too. I don't know if he yoinked it.
Sony did, huh? Sony! War changed me, man. Sony? Oh, my bad.
Oh,
Fuck. Is that Sony?
all good. No.
Hello.
What's up, you bitch? What'd you kill me for?
Kill who?
Or shoot at me? You shot at me.
I killed Goblin.
No, that was me, Greek. I'm sorry.
Oh, I only killed Goblin. I didn't shoot at anyone else.
Jesus Christ! Who the fuck? No.
This is a safe zone, you fucking...
This is a safe place. This is a place of
Hey,
peace.
what's up, man?
What's
Oh,
up,
shit.
dude? Yo, can somebody fucking res me, dog? Yo,
Yeah, I got you, man.
Greek, he's fucking grabbing my gun. He's losing me, dude. Suck my
What's up,
cock,
man?
you molding 12-year-old.
Yo. Hello. This is the veranda. Welcome,
Do
sir.
not kill him. Do not kill him.
You weren't
Can I get my
sniping, you wouldn't
gun?
be secure and you wouldn't bring it up.
Welcome
Fuck out of
back.
my server. Fucking idiot.
What do you think of this sword, sir?
It's not worth it, dude. It's not worth it right now.
X, you
I
are
know you're gonna shoot me.
you are
You're gonna shoot
booking.
me because you're pissed. It's just not worth
No,
it,
well,
bro.
I'm gonna
I love
shoot
you.
you.
Wait.
You are straight bugging right now. I love you, buddy.
You are bugging.
They don't understand. They don't get it. They don't get why you're mad, mate. To them right
Mate,
now, you just
mate,
seem crazy.
You just seem like a mad. You just seem like a mad lad. You know from the.
Hello. Whoa, whoa. Oh. Oh. It's too good. It's a place of peace. Oh.
Ashley, do you have an axe? That's the only thing I'm missing.
I might do actually.
Who's the? Oh, Welyn.
Yo, what's up, man?
Where have you been?
I've been up there. I killed XQC and I think he entered a rage. He's not respecting
you're
the
the one that killed him?
neutrality
Oh.
of the
Well, he
veranda.
doesn't like being killed.
Yeah, I don't think so.
I
He's doing
killed him
scorched earth.
yesterday.
Hello.
I got
Wow.
like 50 messages
listen,
saying never
I'm
kill
gonna be
XQC
honest.
again.
I'm gonna be honest.
Hey, Broden. Behind you.
It's all. Listen, I'm gonna be honest. I am part of Team Rocket, and yes, I am part of the crew that is attacking everyone. But I'm not attacking people here because I know J10 is a safe zone. Listen, I can negotiate with Ohm and try to resolve these issues. Let me be the bridge in this terrible gulf of sadness.
I don't like it that he's not giving it back. I'm going to tell him to give it back.
Well, I don't know if Ohm is there.
Shit, don't be
Anyways.
Oh, Ohm has the goods. Is that it?
Well, the only thing that happened to the veranda is that the roof got clapped.
Welcome back.
Bobby Miles, thanks for the 8 months. Mild DeSanta with a tier 1. Phoenix Flames. This is a place of peace.
And now it looks like it's become scorched earth by the Green Goblin gang.
Welcome.
Magnus, thanks for the tier 1 gamer. Bobby Miles with the 8 months.
Welcome.
Austin Axe, thanks for the primes.
Welcome.
Oh, must be saved. Oh, who's sniping? That's a L9. I think Ohm... I'm not sure where Ohm is. Oh. Oh my god. Axe Maddie Union Krypton. Hello, Pumpkin Boy. What's up, gamer? I have no idea where Ohm is, honestly.
Super sweet. Yeah. Oh, here, hold
Then
Hello.
I'll respawn and I'll get you to bed.
Actually, I don't know if that
You're
was
such a
done.
sweetheart.
That was in his body. Well, I just want everyone to have fun. You know?
Ash, I have fun when I play with you.
Hello.
Aw,
you, Ash.
Thank you, Farmer Charlie.
Hello. Hello. What's up?
Welyn,
Yes.
I'm gonna cash in a friend favor. Come here right now. Come
Hey,
here.
boost me.
Hurry the fuck up. I'm getting impatient.
I'm boosting. What's up?
Well, boost faster.
I'm
I
trying.
need you to
Why am I
Oh.
always the
Take us to
booster,
Ohm.
but never the
I-
take
boost?
us to him.
I don't know where he is.
I need
You can look at the
take us
map.
to him.
Everyone just steps on me.
Open this door right now.
You have the
Open
you have the code.
Oh,
Yeah, you got the code to the veranda. This is a place of peace.
Ash.
don't make me do it. Don't make me do it.
Ash. Do
You're
what?
upsetting the peace now in our J10. I need you to give them back the gun.
Ash, we rolled out together. They killed almost every one of you. They killed me. They looted me. Just because I killed Goblin
I think she is being.
and take his rifle, he's gonna go and create a rampage and disrupt what was supposed to be a peaceful
I'm
zone.
not saying that you shouldn't have taken his stuff, because honestly, I would have too. But it's just not worth it, dude. It's
Dude.
better off just to give it back. Let's
No,
give it back.
don't give in to that. He did.
I'll
I
shoot
tried
you.
to
You
revive
have
him. No,
10
Ash,
seconds
listen.
to give
Ash,
it back.
listen.
10
Ash,
seconds.
Oh.
9,
Ash, I like you.
8,
I respect
7,
you. Ash.
6,
Ash, stop.
5,
We're talking.
Oh,
We're
no.
talking.
3,
Wait,
I'm sorry.
What the
Oh.
fuck?
I'm not a bitch. I'm sorry.
Oh no. Oh no.
Welyn, can you tell me the code?
Boost me.
This.
Weapon, I'm gonna kill you.
Boost me.
Here, Greek.
No, I'm so friendly. This is supposed to be a place of peace. Why is this becoming a place of
Yeah,
violence
this is
and
a safe
bloodshed?
zone. Like what the fuck? You guys are gonna gang up on
Welcome.
a fucking new
I want to get
player?
boosted
Are
for
you
once,
serious?
please.
This is pathetic,
Can someone
guys.
Get up.
For real.
What?
Go, on my head, I can jump.
This is fucking
Okay.
pathetic.
Can we talk
Thank
about
you.
this? Can we let cooler heads prevail?
No.
Really
Murder him.
disappointed in some of you guys.
No, murder him.
Like this is childish.
Oh, okay, all right.
Ash, go on my
Everyone, let's relax. Ash, come up here. Ash,
Come on,
come up
Ash,
here.
Put my head out.
Okay, Ash.
Welyn, don't do it. Force them to use their C4.
No one. No. Okay.
I have your shit
Ah,
back.
okay. Okay.
Murder him. Murder.
If I run in there, I may get killed.
Bullets.
I.
Get on my head. Get
Do
on my
not
Has
head.
run in
my
here. Change the
corn.
code.
He has
He
your what?
My corn.
Welcome.
Your corn. Can we get?
My corn.
Okay. Can we at least get?
Did you give him the
I
code?
do not have her corn.
He does
I
not. No,
promise you
he
don't
does
have
not.
her corn.
No, he does not.
What else did you have, X? I can't remember.
Welcome.
Okay. Let's.
He doesn't have
Let's-
shit. He was sniping people.
Let's. Oh.
Listen,
Oh. What's?
he killed half the server.
Oh.
Welcome.
That
Tony got
showed
laid
up
the
to the
fuck
Okay,
out.
let's-
Tony just got laid the fuck out.
Oh God.
To be
Yeah,
fair,
hey,
they
what's
took
up,
the chopper
Toast?
down.
What's up, motherfucker? What's
Okay.
good?
Okay. How?
Yeah,
How can we get? How can we get a?
Listen,
How can we have a
Okay,
peaceful
no,
resolution to
no.
this?
Let's go above.
Can we get to the roof and talk about this? Who is sniping at us? Who is sniping? Who is sniping? What's going?
Oh my god.
This is a place of peace.
Jump on my head, Toast. Oh.
Can someone pick me up? I don't
I'm
understand
coming.
why I'm getting hit.
I'm picking you up. I got you, monster. I got you. I got
Why are you
you.
bringing him up?
Thank you, man.
No. He needs the revenge that I
You're
had.
up.
How many times have you killed me, bro?
I'm neutral. I never wanted this for the
first time I
veranda.
killed you.
I I never wanted this.
1 + 1 = 2.
Yo, Charlie.
So we're even now.
Thank you.
All right.
Island. Close the door.
Okay then.
Stay with me.
I hope you have a good day.
You too. You can boost up. I got you.
Okay, they need cover. Get inside. Everyone in. Everyone in.
Stop
Everyone in.
shooting.
Put up the fire.
Okay.
Don't
All
shoot
right.
me.
Okay. Okay. Now what is?
Goblin, what is it that you want back from Ohm's body? It's a gun with an attachment, yeah?
Everybody be quiet, please. I need a moment. Boot up the fire. Guys, let me just put some fucking wood.
I don't have any wood.
Be useful for once. Put some fucking wood in the fire, please.
Excuse
upon a
me,
time
fucking
then,
prick.
it
I'm
was
trying to
like
get your
to be
fucking
shooting.
gun back, so don't be a fucking
Alright,
piece of
take
shit. And be kind for once, yeah?
Don't kill her.
Right.
Do not
You want
fucking
wood,
kill
get
her.
it yourself.
Goblin,
Let.
Shooting from. Oh.
do not kill her.
Did I hear
I'm sorry about my friend. He's just a little bit wild today. All right, he's just a little bit crazy today. All right, you just gotta let him go. Ignore everything. All right, he's a
Let's
wild-
let. Let's let cooler heads prevail here.
What? Close the door. I need to talk to Welyn'S so I can explain the situation.
Okay, I'm listening.
Alright, listen.
I am neutral. Now before I say before you say anything, I am expressing my neutrality in this situation. This is a place of peace. This is like Switzerland.
Spineless pussy. We get it.
This is a place of peace. Oh, okay, well,
Excuse me. Fuck
well,
you, dude.
okay, well,
Fuck you.
Get
You
him.
are a fucking asshole, dude.
well.
Don't disrespect people like that, dude. This is not supposed to be like this on a server. Like,
Open the
for
door.
real, I don't give a
I'm
fuck
not about
who
to
you
open
are.
the
Just chill.
door.
Open it.
No, like I'm about to open that door now. Hell no.
Welyn,
Hell
Welyn,
no.
come here, you can open it.
Hell no.
Welyn, come on.
Hell no.
If you're gonna talk shit, you're
XQC,
behind
show
closed
some
doors.
respect, alright? Everybody's
Remember
on the
when
same
this
server.
server
You're
was
salty and
everyone was
sad
friendly?
about a fucking sniper rifle.
Oh my God,
Really?
this is
Yeah,
incredible.
Welyn,
He's
Welyn,
only
Welyn.
mad at you.
The only
I don't think he realized
respect
that.
I want for this player is when my
good times,
ball
good
sack
times.
hits his chin on his corpse. Now
This
open
is
the fucking
incredible.
window.
Dude, I
Sack?
killed you with the
And that's
rainbow
my
sword,
kid.
XQC.
He has my kid.
I killed you with
This
the rainbow
hypocritical
sword.
fuck.
Melee.
He has my kid. I saw
I
the door.
rainbow sworded your
What a
ass.
This is
hypocrite.
cracking.
What a hypocrite.
Oh, sorry, excuse me.
You got killed by a glow-in-the-dark rainbow sword at night.
Oh no.
And you're mad
Welcome
after you
back.
killed half our team.
Who is this up here?
Pumpkins. I stole from Toast.
Listen.
Oh, I need one of these right
Boy,
now.
you understand, okay?
Oh, you're wasting the pumpkin.
There's.
Shut up!
Kudo, no!
Understand, okay? Is that Rust, okay, is a game of PvP where violence is
Yes,
the only
I agree.
currency.
I agree.
You trade violence with violence, is how it works, right? So then, I killed your friends because they invaded us up the hill. Then I went up and I killed them, and you then
Okay,
you
your
killed me from the
boost,
back
thanks,
and you
Toast.
stole my sniper. At which I said I would escalate this situation and I will bomb your base to get my sniper back. So then you reply with,
You didn't say
"Oh,
anything about a
no,
sniper."
We're being a victim of unfairness."
Wait. Okay. Wait. To play devil's advocate, Goblin. To play devil's advocate. To play devil's advocate. If you lost your gun fair and square, isn't that fair? That's PvP, right?
Yeah. So then I get to go back.
True.
Well then.
Now you get to bomb your
Well,
base fair and
well
square.
then,
I would have given you your
Then-
gun
well
back. You
then,
said,
I'd
"No,
Now you
say-
get to bomb your
revive me."
fucking base fair and square.
I'd say get the C4 then. You're threatening. It's just threats of violence. It's not actual violence.
Exactly. Okay.
Well,
So-
joke's on you,
Welyn.
Welyn. Joke's on you. We don't have any C4, motherfucker. Wait. Shit, we don't have C4. guys.
Wait,
Well-
Greek, Greek,
well, then
Greek, you're
get
not
the
supposed to say that.
C4.
Sorry.
Greek.
Get the
Are you
C4.
fucking smoked out? You're not supposed to
Greek,
bad.
you blew it, Chief. You had one job. Oh, the threats of violence were so potent as well.
It's not safe anymore.
Get the fuck out my face, are you good? Get him whacked in the bird, get him whacked in the head. That little ass gun ain't no good.
Be the hero of the server. Take out the toxic land. Have fun.
Hey, Welyn,
Yeah.
can you
Hey, so,
give
can
me
you,
a
boost
group
me?
chat code?
I honestly, this is all out. This is Ash. I am deferring to Ash 100% in this situation.
Yeah, that's okay. I'll just.
Sorry, we
Hi,
need
Ash.
temporary team light so we can see where each other are.
MP5 up here.
Are you thirsty, Ash? Some water.
Yes,
Someone take an MP5.
Great.
Oh, this is great. Oh my god. Oh, I love it.
Sorry.
Ow! What the fuck?
Wait, yo, X, give me my MP5.
Good?
X, give me my MP5.
Fucking good.
Welcome.
I'd say this is peak Rust right now.
X, QC, give me the MP5.
Pumpkin.
Hey,
Phoenix, thanks for the $3.
What's
Zeke
with
and
you
Fish.
fucking guns, bro?
J-Tag, thanks for the
What's with your
$5.
guns? If you want guns all the time, play Valorant. Play Valorant, dude.
Oh, record, can you give back his
If I
thing?
didn't get that code soon,
Don't
that
swing at me,
X16
bro.
is gonna despawn.
I didn't, dude. I pulled back.
Hey, Welyn, let me in your
Oh,
base.
shit, my bad.
Welyn, let me in your base.
I'm staying out of this.
put this
This is
rock
a
away.
place of peace.
Oh,
I
thank
think
you.
that would only lead to war. No, 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 no. If you have the beep
Let
code,
me in your base.
you know the code that goes beep, beep, beep. If you have that code, waltz right in. But that's what it'll take. That's what it'll
Can we
take.
go
Hey,
fight
guys, know where
Myth?
Blast Voice's
He's been
SMG
shooting
went?
me. Let's go.
Wait, who's shooting you? Who's shooting you?
Myth,
Ludwig, did you
he's
give me my
at
bed back?
northeast.
Jump on my head.
Let's fucking go, baby.
Yeah, I did. I messaged a chat. You didn't see it, but I did get your
Right
bed
here,
back
right?
for you, Greek.
Let's
Nice,
go.
thank you.
I don't know.
Let's go kill.
Northeast.
So if you ever need to get back to your base, it should be fine.
Thank you,
Yeah,
thank you.
Welcome.
I'm gonna try it now.
Luxo?
I'm gonna try it
That's the
now.
tier 1. Hello.
How did you set it up to work like that?
What do you
That
mean?
works so cool.
Oh, so basically
Like,
what I
that
do is I just once this place was under threat, I destroyed the stairs that came up, and it immediately made it very tricky to get up.
So how would you get? Oh, I guess you would just F1 and respawn.
No, I
back.
could build stairs right there, but other people can't build stairs right there, so it makes it trickier. So the veranda becomes very
Oh,
defensive.
It's like a haven now.
Exactly. When it needs to be, it becomes a haven, a refuge. But when it's usually it's just an open
beautiful
commune.
decorations up here.
Yeah, yeah. There was a
Hey,
bit of a
Welyn,
scuffle.
Welyn,
You
I
need
really
a-
need that code because that 16X is gonna despawn.
I'm literally if
I
Ash
threw it on the ground
if
and
Ash
it-
decides to give it to you, Ash will give it. But
You can't have the code. You were only
Welcome.
invited to the group as a temporary thing so you could see where we were on the map when we ran to the helicopter. I
Yeah,
can't
yeah,
give you
I
the
told
code
Welyn
because
I'd
the code
leave.
is the same for everyone's doors. So I can't
Okay.
give you the code.
Oh yeah.
Well,
oh,
open the
that's
doors
not a
for me
good
if they're
code.
gone.
Well, anyway, well, did you need any decorations at all for this place?
if you've got something spicy like a nice chair or a rug or a bear rug, yes, I'll take that.
All right, great.
I'm
I'll get
leaving
working
the
on it.
team. I literally told Welyn, hey, I'll leave the team because it was clear that XQC was gonna go on a rampage, but you know.
So okay, so how?
Like, just give them back their gun thing. Like, I don't think it's a big deal.
Ash,
you know. Like,
Ash, Ash,
just
listen.
Southern
I
needs
know.
a bad
I just
guy,
met you.
You know.
I like you. I think you've been a lot of fun to play with. All right. When I killed him, he was killing you guys. He was in the process of shooting you. He was sniping you. When he died, he started ranting. I tried picking him up, and he said, no. Like, you know, fuck that. Don't pick me up. You want to know who I was? I
Thanks,
told
Swamp
him.
Rat.
And he said that we have all the C4 on the server. We're gonna bomb you and everybody on it. I was gonna revive him and give him his gun. Okay. Like, you're putting way too much of this on me, and you're now letting him be toxic and disrespectful.
Oh.
Like,
No, I agree with you. I think he's being a big fucking whingy baby. But like, it's just
yeah,
not worth it. Just
I
give him
literally
his
was
damn gun so
reviving
we can
him.
move on with
So-
our lives.
So
I could send you a clip.
So
was
wait, I
reviving
feel
him.
like wait. Can I express what I think
think- I
the
believe you, I
issue
don't
is?
need one.
I think Ash is primarily concerned for the well-being of this region, in terms of like the retaining the peace, but I do think that the gun was won fair and square. So I don't know. I see both
It
sides.
was.
That's the thing. That's why I'm avoiding making the decision.
I died and ran all the way back and killed him with 9 bullets in the gun because he looted me.
Oh, dude, what the hell? It wasn't me. Yeah, Andy! All right, I'm back.
Crazy reaction to a snowball.
Ash.
I never thought I'd be killed by Andy Milanakis in Rust, though. In all fairness, I feel like that's like a hidden bucket list achievement.
Welyn, I have something for you.
What's up?
Welyn,
Oh.
check it out.
Who's this dead person?
Yes! All right.
Check it out, Welyn.
Where should we put this bad boy?
I tried to give it to
Can
him.
we-
I tried to revive him.
Oh, let me go up. You go up on me.
Okay, I think there's somebody else coming. That then you can boost up on.